Namaste, Vanakkam, Sat Sri Akal, Namaskaram, Namaskaram, Konnichiwa, Ni Hao, Bonjour, Guten Tag, Hola, Marhaba, and Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome, dear truth seekers, wherever you are joining us from today. Whether you're tuning in from Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Kolkata, Jaipur, Hyderabad, or literally anywhere else in the world, I am so incredibly thrilled to have you here. Go ahead, grab a warm cup of chai, settle into your favorite chair, and just take a deep breath. Because today, we are starting a masterclass that is going to completely change the way you use artificial intelligence, forever. We're going to take our time, step by step, to truly master the art of trustworthy AI. Are you ready? Okay, let's dive right into this.
So, is your AI lying to you? It's a pretty heavy question, isn't it? Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine a warm evening in Chennai. A young student is studying really hard for his history exam on the Mughal Empire. He gets a little confused about Shah Jahan, so he quickly asks an AI chatbot. The AI answers instantly and with total, absolute confidence. But it gets the completion date of the Taj Mahal wrong by 5 whole years. The student writes this down, and you guessed it, he loses marks. Or think about a brilliant young professional in Mumbai. She's preparing this massive, career-defining presentation on the future of electric vehicles. The AI gives her a bunch of data, but it's 2 years out of date, completely missing all the new government incentives. These scenarios, they happen all the time, and they show us exactly why we absolutely cannot blindly trust AI.
So here is our roadmap for today. It's your ultimate toolkit. We'll be looking at 1. The danger of AI hallucinations. 2. The Seek verification framework. 3. Recognizing and reducing bias. 4. Fixing AI technical errors. 5. Safe and ethical AI use. And 6. Bringing it all together with the complete trust framework.
Let's jump right into Section 1, the danger of AI hallucinations.
Now, what exactly is an AI hallucination? Well, it's when an AI confidently presents false, invented, or entirely made-up information as though it were an established, cold, hard fact. Think of it kind of like that overconfident uncle at a family gathering. Let's call him Uncle Rajesh. Uncle Rajesh speaks with absolute certainty about things he doesn't actually understand at all, like telling everyone the internet is just a passing fad. He sounds completely certain, but he is completely wrong. This is exactly what an AI does. And frankly, it is incredibly dangerous. Imagine a medical student in Pune relying on this for exam prep. A wrong, hallucinated answer about a rare disease, well, that could have real-world, serious consequences. Let me show you just how persuasive an AI can be when it does this. So the factual reality is that Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn invented the internet. But if you ask an AI who invented the internet in India, it wants to please you. It wants to give you a statistical prediction. So it might hallucinate and confidently invent a completely fake name, like Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma. It sounds so plausible, right? It sounds perfectly real, but it is entirely made up. That unshakable confidence, that is what makes it so tricky to catch.
Moving right along to Section 2, the Seek verification framework.
This right here is your ultimate defense mechanism. The acronym is SEEK. Let's break this down very, very slowly. S stands for sources. Always ask the AI for citations. E stands for estimate confidence. Ask the AI for a confidence score from 1 to 10. The second E stands for examine each claim. Break the answer down and verify it step by step. And K stands for know the cutoff. Remind the AI that its knowledge actually has a time limit. Seek. I want you to memorize this. Write it down in your notebook. This is your shield against bad information.
Now, to turn this into a tool you can actually use right now, I want you to use this exact magic formula. Just prompt the AI with this quote. Provide a source for any statistic or date you mention. On the scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you about this information? When you type this, you are literally forcing the AI to slow down. You are forcing it to flag its own uncertainties. It changes the entire dynamic of the conversation, from blind trust to active, smart verification.
Let's zoom in on that examine part of Seek for a moment. This is called the chain of verification method. Think of this as a superpower you can just hand over to the AI. First, you ask it to answer your question. Second, command it to list out all the factual claims it just made. Third, ask it to rate its confidence, high, moderate, or guess, for every single one of those claims. And fourth, ask it to revise its original answer based on that extra scrutiny. This loop catches the mistakes that so easily slip through a first draft. It's honestly like giving the AI its own strict teacher to check its homework.
All right, let's head into Section 3, recognizing and reducing bias.
You see, AI learns from the internet,
which means it learns all of our human biases. For example, if you ask for magnificent ancient architecture, an AI might immediately list the Colosseum and the pyramids, but completely ignore the Taj Mahal or the Ajanta caves. That is cultural and regional bias. We mitigate this by actively requesting multiple perspectives. Or what if the AI is suffering from sycophancy? That means it just blindly agrees with whatever you say to make you happy. When that happens, you must ask the AI to be a critical friend. If the topic is emotionally charged, make sure you use neutral framing. And for one-sided arguments, there's this brilliant trick called inverse prompting, where you literally force the AI to argue the exact opposite of its own point.
To remember all of this, we use another super simple acronym, MINT. Let's say it together, nice and slow. M, multiple perspectives. I, inverse prompting. N, neutral framing. T, think critically. MINT. Whenever you feel an answer leans way too heavily in one direction, just apply MINT. Challenge the AI's assumptions dynamically.
Moving into Section 4, Fixing AI Technical Errors.
Now, AI can make some really plain, silly mistakes in technical logic. Imagine a developer in Hyderabad relying on buggy AI code, or a teacher in Jaipur translating a beautiful lesson plan incorrectly. To prevent this, just follow these 3 steps. 1. Step-by-step reasoning. Ask the AI to show it's working for absolutely any math or logic problem. 2. Code simulation. Instruct the AI to mentally run its code with test inputs before it even gives it to you. And 3. Back translation. If you translate English to Hindi, have the AI translate that Hindi back to English, just to verify that the core meaning hasn't changed.
And here's how you can easily remember it, the SCT framework. SCT. Let this sink in very slowly. S, step-by-step reasoning. C, code simulation. T, translation back check. By categorizing your technical tasks exactly this way, you force the AI to dramatically reduce its error rate.
This brings us to Section 5, Safe and Ethical AI Use. This right here, this is the absolute heart of today's masterclass. The golden rule of AI ethics. Use AI to build people up, not tear them down. Use it to inform, never to deceive. Use it to create, never to steal. Always remember, the AI is just software. You, the human being, you are the decision maker. You hold the steering wheel. So how do we put this into actionable practice? Well, imagine you are a freelancer in Bengaluru seeking some tax planning advice. You absolutely must mandate disclaimers. Tell the AI, state clearly this is not professional advice. It prevents dangerous misinterpretation. Next, use a constructive focus by explicitly asking for non-harmful information. And finally, respect guardrails. Never, ever try to jailbreak or bypass the safety systems. They are there to protect you and everyone else. And finally, Section 6, the Complete Trust Framework. Here it is, the grand finale, the Trust Framework. Let's spell it out together. T-R-U-S-T. T, truth check, always verify facts. R, request sources, ask for citations to combat those hallucinations. U, unbiased perspectives, apply the MINT method we talked about. S, step by step, force the AI to show its work using the SCT method. And the final T, test and verify, cross-check your answers across multiple different AI tools. This is your ultimate toolkit. With this, you are no longer just a passive consumer, you are a highly confident, empowered truth seeker. As we recap our masterclass today, please remember this one core lesson. Never trust AI blindly. You are the expert in the room. You now have the SEEK framework for hallucinations, the MINT framework for bias, the SCT framework for technical errors, and the overarching trust framework to guide you through everything. If you found this explainer valuable today, please take just a moment right now to like the video and subscribe to AI Insights Nexus. Make sure to press that bell icon so you never miss our future updates. And before you go, please leave a valuable comment below. I'd love to know, did you enjoy the video? Which framework was your absolute favorite today? SEEK, MINT, SCT, or Trust? Let me know which city you are watching from and what exciting topics you would love to see covered in our future videos. I sincerely appreciate your time, your focus, and your amazing feedback. Keep verifying, keep learning, and I absolutely cannot wait to see you in the next video.